Hey everyone, Dan here at the OptiCoat Training Center, and I have a question for you. Do you look for that product that can do pretty much a lot of the different things while cleaning your vehicle? And what I'm talking about is bug remover, wheel cleaner, engine bay remover, light stains on the interior, cleaning of the leather. That's a product that I want to show you that Optimum has, and it's called Power Clean. So the best part about this product is not just the versatility, but because of the polymers and its alkalinity, it's able to break down all that grease, grime, bug guts, and other stuff that's stuck to the surface of your vehicle. So just like the rest of the Optimum line, Power Clean is simple to use, whether it's going to be full strength or the diluted ratios laid out on the back. For this product, you can powerfully clean every single surface of your vehicle. And for that, I thank you guys for joining me. You guys have a great one, and I will see you on the next video.